In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel as a CRM. We'll log in, set up a sales pipeline, add a contact, build a simple lead form, and automate follow-up with a workflow so your CRM does the heavy lifting for you. First, log into your GoHighLevel sub-account and head straight to Opportunities. This is your deal board. Think of it as a visual tracker that shows where every lead or client is in your process. You'll be able to drag opportunities from stage to stage and quickly spot bottlenecks. Next, open pipelines within Opportunities. A pipeline is the structure behind that board. It defines the stages, like new lead, qualified, proposal sent, and won, so your team speaks the same language and nothing slips through the cracks. Click Create Pipeline, then edit your pipeline. Give it a clear name and set the stages that match your real-world process. Keep stage names short and action-focused so your team knows exactly what to do at each step. When you're happy, click Create to save it. Now head to Contacts, which is your central database. Here you can see profiles, timelines, conversations, and tags. It's the single source of truth for your relationships. Click Add Contact, then enter a first name, a last name, and an email address. Choose a contact type and set it to Lead so it appears in your lead views and reporting. Click Save. Go to Sites, then open Forms and click Builder. Forms are how you capture information and send it straight into your CRM without manual entry. Click Add Form, then Create New Form, and click Create to open the editor. Rename your form so it's easy to find later. As an example, drag in the address field so you can collect location details alongside the basics. Click Save, then click Back to return to your forms list. Next, go to Automation and click Create Workflow. Workflows automate repetitive steps, like sending emails, assigning leads, and moving opportunities, based on triggers. Choose Start from Scratch and rename your workflow so its purpose is clear. Click Add New Trigger and select Form Submitted, then save the trigger. Now click the plus icon to add an action. Choose Send Email. Give the action a descriptive name, set your subject line, and type the message you want new leads to receive. Save the action. When everything looks good, click Publish, then click Save. From here, you can also set up calendars to connect bookings to your CRM, ensuring every appointment creates a contact and updates your pipeline automatically. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.